Welcome to Calendar and Reminders. These apps help you stay organized and never forget important events or tasks. The Calendar app shows all your appointments and events. You can view by day, week, month, or year. Tap the buttons at the top to switch views. To add an event, tap the plus sign in the top right. Enter the title, date, time, and location. Tap Add when done. Set alerts so you don't forget. When creating an event, tap Alert and choose when to be reminded, like 1 hour before or 1 day before. For recurring events like birthdays or weekly meetings, tap Repeat when creating the event. Choose daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. The Reminders app is for tasks and to-do lists. It's different from calendar events because reminders don't have specific times unless you add them. To add a reminder, open Reminders and tap New Reminder at the bottom. Type your task. Tap the Info button to add a due date and time. Create different lists to organize reminders. Tap Add List to create lists like groceries, work tasks, or home projects. Calendar and Reminders sync with iCloud, so they appear on all your Apple devices. Add an event on your iPhone and see it on your iPad instantly.